Hang on a second. Are you involved in the aviation industry in any way?
Sure am. Over here, Mike the mechanic.
Hey, how's it going?
It's going good.
Mike the mechanic, it's nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Mike, let me ask you something. Do you wish that there was an aviation mobile app that helps you get connected with different kinds of service providers in the industry?
I do. I've dreamt of it.
The great thing is that there is an app. It's called TallyHo.
TallyHo.
TallyHo is an aviation mobile app that helps you get connected with every kind of service provider in aviation, whether it be maintenance shops, caterers, detailers, insurance brokers, tax consultancy, you name it, it's on the app.
Really? That's pretty sweet.
It is pretty sweet. Now, with over 1,000 services on the app and a rating and review system, you can easily make an informed decision on which provider might be best for you.
Is that right?
That's right. And last but not least, for free in the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store, it's free to download and free to use, so there's no reason for you to struggle finding aviation service providers anymore.
Free to download, free to use.
That's right. TallyHo, the smart way to spot aircraft services.
TallyHo.